tap. Let's do this. Quick poll. Nope, not that one. I haven't done this yet today. Custom. 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. So up here is a poll. Check it out. Poll right there. Go tap on it, cast your vote. I'm happy you enjoy the Mustang. I don't think I have posted anything about the Mustang all summer. Well, I guess it's literally, we are like a week into summer, so being a little extreme here. But yeah, I've been out with the Mustang a couple times, but I don't think I've taken any pictures or videos. Maybe this weekend. Maybe this weekend, if the weather's nice, I can get out with the Mustang again and get some little videos and pictures. And it did just end up on a YouTube channel. They did like a little feature on a YouTube channel, which is super cool. So I did have it out for that. But yeah, we'll have to see. But okay, you guys, here, vote. Cast your vote. There's a poll, top corner, right up there. Not you guys on YouTube, but it's for TikTok. Yes, follow, follow, follow. Let's go. Come on, you guys. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow, subscribe, become a member. Let's go. Oh, you guys haven't reminded me. We forgot to look for the deer. It has been a very long time since I looked to see if the deer were in the driveway. Oops. You need me in your life? I need more deer in my life. I was very excited when I seen those deer yesterday. They were very cute. There was a doe and 2 fawns just like strolling across my driveway. So I seen them twice in 3 days. But I want to see them again. Yes, tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow. Yeah, there was like these 2 cute little adorable Bambis that were full of spots. Yeah. Okay, guys, up here. Check on the poll. Cast your vote, okay, guys? There's a poll in the corner. Hey, you guys, check out my TikTok page. Don't forget to follow. Go to my TikTok, drop a follow, turn on notifications. Thank you, thank you. Let's go, people. Tap, tap, tap. We're almost at 30,000 likes. Let's go. Keep on tapping. Tap, like, share, follow, subscribe, vote, vote. Can you guys hear my tapping? Gabe, why what? Good morning. Okay, so we are at 58% said yes. 24% said maybe when I'm bored. That's usually how it is. There's always latecomers. People are like, what was that name again? Hilarious. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you for voting. And only 17% no. You guys are missing out. Thank you. Good morning. Hello. Welcome. Well, then you have to try harder. I don't know what to tell you. Age. Thank you, Gabe, for the power. Club power. Let's all pull together for some club power. Thank you, Flow State. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Walker, for the kitty box. Is it a cat box? I don't know what it was called. Oh, mystery gift. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Welcome. You want to be in my club? Well, follow, like, share, subscribe. Good morning, Mark. Can't stop watching. Gabe, get to work. You have work to do. Thank you, Javier. Good morning, good morning. Welcome. Tap, like, share, follow. Leggings. These aren't leggings. These are wide leg pants. They are not leggings. Not leggings. They are a very stretchy, very comfortable lounge pants. I don't know. Lounge pants. I guess you could work out in them too, but it's looking kind of like, looking a little bit doom and gloom out there. Doom and gloom. Sloppy toppy. Sloppy toppy. Bob Cordy. Anyways, I don't know what the hell that says for your username, but thank you very much for the tip. Oh my god. Good morning, Mario. Thank you. Sloppy Toppy Bob Cordy UIOP. Us. One. Oh my god, I have no freaking clue. Anyways, yep. Can people just have like simple usernames like Bob, Matt, Eric, Justin?